So I think the video stopped unfortunately, so I will run the app again and I will show you how this is looking. So if I go back to my simulator, so you can see that now the app will load, and you can see that there is a corner, rounded corners for the button. So I think it is not, you cannot look easily, so I will just zoom the app for you. So you can see that here, you can see that here is a rounded corner. I think what I will do is I will increase the radius so you can see it easily. So instead of 3, let's do I think 7, and let's run this app again. And now you can see that here we are getting the rounded corners for the button and it is looking nice. So this is the UI that we were trying to build, and now I will write more some code for generating fun facts. So for fun facts we will actually create a file which will be a data model for storing our fun facts. So let's name this new file. This will be a Swift file. Let's name this file fun facts data and hit next. We have got the file. Now we will create a class which will be fun facts data, and inside this we only want a single thing, we want an array. So I will do let fun facts equal to an array. Okay, okay, and this will have different fun facts in the form of a string. So I will just first create empty string. Let's count 1, 2. Okay, 20 are done. So what we will do is we will grab some fun facts and we will paste it here. Okay, so we will do it later. First we will create a function. What function will do it will automatically generate a random fact from this array and it will give it to you. So let's name this function random fact, and it will return a string because all our facts are a string. And in this we can just create a variable called random, and it will be equal to a method called arg for random uniform, and I will pass my function count here. So I will just explain this to you in a bit. Okay, I think it will ask me to convert this, so I will just, and then I will again have to convert this into int here. No. Okay, and at the end I have to return fun facts and random. Okay, this is done. So basically I think it requires to convert it into a int. So this will be an int, so let's convert this and let's see whether this error has gone or not. I think it has gone. Okay, so let us understand this function. So basically this function is returning string, so you can see that. So we are calling a method called arg for random. What it will do is it will generate a random number starting from 0 until the fun facts count. So the fun facts count is actually 20, so it will generate a random number from 0 to less than 20, which means 19, and then it will return the index so that we will get the fun facts at this position. So let's take an example. Suppose that it has generated a random number called 5. So it will return fun facts and the index will be 5. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it will return this fun fact. And in the same manner, every time it is called, it will generate a new random number and it will return a random fun fact. So now what we will do is we will grab some fun facts from the internet. So I will just open my browser and in the Google I will type, okay, let's type fun facts, okay, and here's the link, which is top 100 random fun facts. So what I will do is now I will copy 20 fun facts. This net is working slow, so what I will do, I will just close it down and I will just open my older project which I have already created, and I will copy some fun facts from there. So you can see that here are, I think, 10 fun facts, not 20. So let's build app using the 10 fun facts. So let's clear this array and paste this. So here you can see that there are 10 fun facts instead of 20. So you can use any number of facts. I advise you to use 100 facts so that your app will work fine. So we have done with our data model. Now if we go back, now we have to do is we have to write some code in our viewcontroller.swift file. But before that, let's check whether this our function is working or not. So once our button is pressed, what we need to do is we need to create a let fun facts data of type fun facts data. Where is it? Okay, and then we need to call the method which is called random fact, and we need to store it somewhere. So I will do let random fact equal to here, and let's print the fact. Now let's run and see whether it is working for us or not. So what will happen is whenever we press the button, it will print a new fact in our console. So let's press this button 5 times: 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Let's go back to our console. You can see that this is the first fact, this is the second, this is the third, this is the fourth, and this is the fifth. So it means it is working fine. So in our next video we will try to complete this app by building a small part that is just left. So I will see you in the next video for completing this app.